Hello and welcome to the Scaled Agile Framework course, where I will teach you everything you need to know to get started with SAFe framework. Now, let's look at an overview of what you will learn. First of all, we will see what is SAFe. Second, we will go through the SAFe different architectures. So we will start with essential SAFe, then we will see the large solution SAFe, followed with the portfolio SAFe, and finally the full SAFe. And then we will see the different advantages and disadvantages of the SAFe framework. Now, the Scaled Agile Framework is a set of organizational and workflow patterns for implementing agile practices at an enterprise scale. It aims to achieve the business agility through the 7 core competencies of the lean enterprise, which are the team and technical agility, agile product delivery, enterprise solution delivery, lean portfolio management, organizational agility, continuous learning, and lean agile leadership. Let's get started with the essential SAFe. The essential SAFe architecture contains 2 levels, the team level and the ART or the Agile Release Train level. Starting with the team level, we have the team and technical agility competency. And we have 3 main roles, which are the product owner that provide the guidance on what needs to be built by representing the customer on the team. Also, we have the Scrum Master or the team coach that help to improve and facilitate the various events. Finally, we have the Agile teams, which is a group of 5 to 11 members with cross-functional capabilities that can define, build, test, and where applicable, deploy values in short time boxes called iterations. In fact, each team uses Agile method like Scrum and Kanban or a combination of different Agile methods. Start each iteration by planning what they can deliver in an iteration planning event. Each team also starts each iteration by planning what they can deliver in an iteration planning event. The second level of the essential SAFe is the ART level that provides the Agile product delivery competency, and it contains 4 main roles, which are the business owners that are key ART stakeholders who have the primary business and technical responsibility for return on investment, governance, and compliance. Also, there is the product managers that use customer centricity and design thinking to understand customer problems and discover solutions that are desirable, viable, feasible, and sustainable. Moreover, it provides the vision and backlog. Then we have the system architect that provides architectural guidance. And we find also the release train engineer that serves as the coach for the ART. He facilitates the PI planning or the program incremental planning, okay? Also in this level, we use a program board, which is used to visualize the dependencies between teams. And we have the Agile release trains, which represent multiple teams of 5 to 12 cross-functional Agile teams in each ART that need to work together as a team of Agile teams to deliver value. It includes 50 to 125 people. The ART time box called a program increment, which is typically 5 iterations long. Let's see now the program increment, the PI, which is a time box during which an ART delivers incremental value in the form of tested and working software. Typically, it lasts about 8 to 12 weeks, and it has 4 development iterations and 1 innovation and planning iteration. The PI planning event aims to plan the work for a PI. The inspect and adopt event, at the end of a PI, the teams meet the retrospect on how to improve, and all the ART stakeholders participate in this event. The system demo event occurs after the completion of every iteration. So, for the innovation and planning iteration now, it occurs after every program increment. It acts as an estimating buffer for meeting PI objectives, and also it provides dedicated time for innovation, continuing education, PI planning, and other events. The ART builds a continuous delivery pipeline and uses DevOps practices to release on demand, delivering value when it is needed. So each iteration development contains the following steps: the daily stand-up, iteration planning, iteration execution, iteration review, iteration retrospective, and the backlog refinement. For the daily meeting or the daily stand-up, it aims to discuss the progress toward their iteration goals in a daily stand-up. And also the iteration review. Here we have the team to demonstrate the work they have completed. For the iteration retrospective, before the next iteration, the team reflects on what to improve for the next iteration. So what is the large solution safe? In fact, here we have the same level, which is the essential safe solution, and with a new level, which is the large solution level, or the solution train that contains the enterprise solution delivery competency, and 3 main roles, which are the solution management that have content authority on what gets built. The solution architect oversees the architecture across ARTs. The solution train engineer that coaches and facilitates solution train events. Also here, the suppliers appears, which are internal and external organizational who develop and deliver components, subsystem, which help solution train deliver solution to customers. So, what is the solution train? It is used to coordinate multiple ART and suppliers to deliver large complex solutions. It is the organizational construct used to build large and complex solutions that require the coordination of multiple agile release trains, and it is powered by multiple ARTs, and it has fixed cadence. So solutions are product, services, or systems delivered to the customer, whether internal or external to the enterprise. The solution backlog is the holding area for our capabilities and enablers. The capabilities describe higher level solution behavior and are split into multiple features. Also, there is the Scrum of Scrums event. It is facilitated by a release train engineer, and during this meeting, representatives from each agile team meet to review their progress toward milestones and PI objectives and dependencies among the team. It is time boxed from 30 to 60 minutes. Also, there is the product owner sync, which is facilitated by either release train engineer or product manager. It is time boxed for 30 to 60 minutes also, and the purpose of this event is to get visibility in how well the ART is progressing toward meeting the program increment objectives. So the Scrum of Scrums and the PO Sync are combined in a single event called ART Sync. So let's see now the portfolio save. A new level here is a period, which is the portfolio level, that contains the lean portfolio management competency and the organizational agility competency and new roles. So the lean portfolio management helps enterprise organize around the delivery of value and value streams, as well as fund these value streams to avoid the problems that are typically associated with project cost accounting. The organizational agility describes how lean thinking people and agile teams across the enterprise optimize their business processes. So the portfolio backlog. It is a Kanban system that is used to capture and manage the business and enabler epics intended to create and evolve the portfolios of products, services, and solutions. The value stream development is the sequence of activities needed to convert a business hypothesis into a digitally enabled solution that delivers customer value. So the epics, here we have the portfolio epics are typically cross-cutting, typically spanning multiple value streams and PIs to accelerate learning and development and reduce risk. The SAFE recommends applying the lean startup build, measure, learn cycle to these epics. So the roles are epic owners. The epic owners work collaboratively with stakeholders to define the epic, the lean business case, and the definition of a minimum viable product. The enterprise architecture is responsible for establishing the portfolio's technology vision, strategy, and roadmap. Now let's see the full SAFE. The full SAFE contains the different previously introduced SAFE methods, which are the different levels: the essential SAFE, the large solution SAFE, and the portfolio SAFE. So what are the advantages and disadvantages of using SAFE? In fact, the SAFE advantages are its transparency, it provides extension of agile practices, it is lightweight framework, it offers constant upgrades, it maintains alignment with business goals, easily handles a coordinated strategy. Also, it offers dependency management and business stakeholder engagement. However, the SAFE disadvantages are it takes too much of top-down approach, it becomes overly complicated, and it leads to longer planning cycles and more fixed rules. So, thank you for watching and goodbye.